everyone, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share the long-awaited 800 subscriber giveaway with you guys. To all of you who are already subscribed, thank you so very much for all of your support. I truly could not do any of this without you. Real quick before we get started, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, it helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos, which in turn helps us to continue to grow our YouTube family. And speaking of YouTube families, guys, if you're not a member of mine, I would love to have you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love the chance to get to know you better. And I also have to share some of the rules for this giveaway with you guys. You must be 18 years or older. This is for residents of the United States only. It is so pricey to ship stuff right now. I apologize, but this is where we have to be for right now. YouTube in no way is associated with this giveaway, as well as all the creators of the products that I am giving away. These have been purchased with my own money or given to me. I can't be responsible for any of the products once they've been dropped off at the post office. So if anything arrives damaged, I sincerely apologize, but I will not be able to replace it. You must be subscribed to this channel, publicly subscribed, which means I need to be able to go to your channel and verify that you are subscribed to my channel. So please make sure that your subscriptions are public. If you're not sure how to do that, I know you can go to the help section of YouTube, or there are videos out there that actually explain how to do it. And then you will have to leave the secret word down in the comments. I'm not going to announce the secret word right now. It will be flashed across the bottom of the screen at some point during this video, so make sure you're watching closely. I am also going to link all of the rules for this giveaway down in the description as well. So in case I missed anything, which I'm sure I did, they'll be down there as well, so make sure you check those out. Now, let's get started on this giveaway. You guys know with my channel, I try to encompass all aspects of a wellness journey. Started out as a weight loss channel, and then it just gradually progressed to all areas because, guys, I was very quick to learn that weight loss is not the only part of a wellness journey. There's so many parts included in it. So I try to incorporate some of my favorite things from each of those areas. For the WW portion of my channel, I do have this WW salad jar. I'm going to leave this in the plastic, but I'm going to show you mine so you can see what you'll be getting. It is a great big quart-sized jar. You put your lettuce and your vegetables in here, and then the top comes off, and it's got a little bowl for your salad dressing. This just screws back into the lid. Put it back on your jar. And you've got a fresh salad for lunch or dinner the next day, or the same day, but yeah, there's that. And then to eat your fantastic salad with, I have this eco-friendly silverware set. This is a hip cutlery case, and its silverware is made out of wheat straw. So, there you go. No more plastic spoons and forks for you guys. We're going eco-friendly here. Next, I have some laundry packets from the Scentsy Whiff box that I get. I've got one packet of laundry soap and then one packet of fabric softener. And now let's get into the self-care portion of my giveaway. I have a box of 3 sponge gels. I did get this from my FabFitFun subscription box. Guys, if you're not familiar with these are exfoliating sponges that already have soap in them. And they've got a little handle here that you can attach to each one so you can hang it up in between uses. This has eucalyptus rain, honey blossom, and papaya yuzu. So there's 3 different sponges in there for you. Also from FabFitFun, I've got one of my extra mystery bundles. I don't want to take this out of the package, so I apologize if it is hard to see. This is some lavender body lotion. It is a great big huge bottle. This is Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer by Dermalect. And then this little box right here in the middle is called Wing Woman. And it is an eyeliner that has a stamp on the end of it so you can kind of do a cat eye. I have not tried it yet, but I do owe you guys a crazy eye look with my next Glitz Glam bag unboxing. So we'll see if maybe that's something I choose to use to help with that. I don't know. For your nails, I've got a packet of Color Street nails. These are nail polish strips that you can put over your own nails or the press-on fingernails. And it is just a nice peach sparkly color. I'll be honest, Ava picked those out for you guys, so thank you to Ava. For hair, I've got a packet of Invisibobbles. These are those plastic ring hair ties. They are awesome, and I believe I got this in a glossy box. I use them all the time. They're great. They do stretch out when you use them, but all you have to do is run them under hot water and they shrink right back to their original size. Sorry, I've got a foldable hairbrush or a collapsible hairbrush with the mirror on the top, and it just closes up. It's a little compact. I've been doing a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, and I won quite a few giveaways from Dollar Tree, so that has been a huge portion of my channel, so I have to share some Dollar Tree items with you. Also from the Dollar Tree, I've got this e.l.f. coffee colored eyeliner, and that's the color of it. And then I've got this Wet n Wild Full Healthy Lashes mascara. From a glossy box, I've got a 2-pack of the makeup remover sponges. These are really nice. These are just the reusable cloth sponges, and you just get them wet and they take the makeup right off your face. They are wonderful. And these are the perfect size for travel too. I mean, if you've already got the big ones, these would be nice just to stick in your suitcase and take along with you. I have an eco-friendly comb set. It's got the wide tooth comb and then the smaller comb. And they say that they are perfect for detangling any type of hair. If you try these, let me know what you think. I've got a sample or a trial size of the Arizona perfume. I got these in the glossy box, and while it is a very, very small bottle, it lasts forever. I ended up getting 2 of them, which is why I'm giving one away in the giveaway, because it seriously lasts and lasts and lasts. When I use it, I just take the top off and tap that on my wrist and then below my ears, and that's all I use. Like 4 little dabs, and it is a very strong perfume, but nice, fresh, clean scent. And then for the spa self-care portion of my giveaway, I've got a gel bead eye mask. Guys, I use these all the time. They are fantastic. And what I love using these for the most is when I get a headache or a migraine. As soon as I put this on, it is like instant pain relief. They are fantastic. I just keep it in the refrigerator and pull it out whenever I want to use it. And then I have 3 foot masks for you. These are by FBL. The first one I have is Nourishing Hemp with Rosemary Extract. The next one I have is Relaxation with Melatonin and Lavender Extract. And then these are Hydrating with Shea Butter, Jojoba Oil, and Vitamin E. And I use these at least once a week. They're little booties that are they're only wet on the inside. They have tape along the ankle so you can secure them so they fit. You put them on your feet for about 20 minutes and your feet are feeling fantastic afterwards. And then last but not least, guys, I will be including a $25 Visa gift card. And all of this, my friends, is my way of thanking you for all of your support once again. I am truly blessed to have every single one of you as part of my YouTube family, and I just can't say thank you enough. Alrighty, well, I am going to let you go. Remember, leave that secret word down in the comments. I will flash it again across the screen right here in case you missed it. Make sure you read all of the rules thoroughly down in the description so there are no misunderstandings. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I am going to run this giveaway for exactly 2 weeks, which means I will be announcing the winner at 7 p.m. on Sunday, October 17th. I look forward to seeing who all participates in this giveaway. And until my next video, y'all, have a fantastic day. Bye.